morning, y'all. Can you see Mr. Childers? Let's see. Let's move it over a little bit. There we go. We left Thursday afternoon. Made it to Tallahassee. Slept for a couple hours. Then moved on to Quincy, Florida. Stayed at the Walmart there. It's pretty quiet. It's 2 miles off the interstate.
What exit was that?
I don't remember which exit it was. But it's just a little bitty town there.
I think it's exit 199.
Well, that sounds about right.
They have diesel and they have gas. It's cheapest fuel in the area.
Yes. It was $2.39 for diesel. Fantastic.
No, there it was $2.77.
Really?
Everywhere else it was $3.19, $3.30. Gas was like $1.89 or something. It wasn't too bad.
Well, where did we fill up where it was $2.39?
$2.39 was over in
Tallahassee?
No, coming this way. We were in Alabama. About exit.
Roll Tide.
Exit 2 or 3 there somewhere. Yeah, $2.39 for diesel. The gas was $1.77. Not too bad. So prices are dropping the closer to Texas we get.
Exactly.
That's good.
So last night we stayed at the Walmart in East Crowley. We got there about what time? 8:30, somewhere along in there.
East Crowley, Louisiana.
I was tired. I went right to sleep.
We were going to lay down only for a couple hours.
Yeah, but we slept.
6 this morning.
Yeah. So we get up. Mr. Childers was not a happy camper. Give me that mean look. Give me that look. Oh, he was not happy because he forgot to wash out the percolator the last time.
I can't remember where it was I used it.
It's all good though. Mama took care of it. It's all good. Now he's a happy camper. He's had his coffee. Give me a smile.
We got to make time. We got to get serious. This ain't no vacation.
Yeah, because today is Saturday.
See, normally we don't run on timelines. We just go with the flow. But because of
we had
being with our family over Christmas and having to stay longer than we wanted, we didn't get to leave way sooner, and we had to spend Christmas with our grandbabies. So.
Oh, and they were not happy campers when we left.
No, they weren't. They'll be okay. They're troopers. They understand the deal now. They know what's going on.
Well, they weren't understanding why we were going to the other side of the United States, and we explained to them that we have 3 other grandbabies on that side.
And friends over here that we want to visit.
Exactly. So once we told them that, they were like, okay, well, they haven't seen you in a year, so it's good. But we're on our way to the RTR. So hopefully we make some time today. We've had a few issues along the way. Miss Lily decided yesterday she was going to throw up in the back seat. So I had to clean that up. And if you use, what's it called?
Baking soda?
Baking soda, sorry. It's early. If you use baking soda, after you use, like I used some lavender bleach cleanup stuff, and I sprayed it all down and got it all cleaned up, and then I put the baking soda on top of it and everything, it absorbs the smell. It works awesome. So the next time, because we have fabric seats, we don't have leather. So the next time something like that happens, even if somebody in your family gets sick, use the baking soda. It works great.
If you have it handy.
If you have it handy. Well, we happen to have some handy.
Our house with us, so.
Yeah. Thank goodness.
It's with us in the house, so the house is back there.
Exactly.
That works.
And everybody worries. They're like, wait a minute, you left Thursday, and today is Saturday. You haven't had a shower? We took a shower before we left on Thursday afternoon, and we will get a place to stay tonight with hookups so we can take a shower. So it's all good. We washed up yesterday. Everything's good. I promise you.
We're good.
We're good.
If we weren't, we wouldn't be sitting here with each other.
That's right.
It's called a bottle of water bath.
And we have our 6-gallon jugs of water that we brought with us. So he was able to fix his coffee this morning, and
you don't need to carry a lot of water when you're moving. Water's heavy.
Well, yesterday morning, what did you do about coffee?
I didn't have any.
Oh, poor thing. Maybe that's why he was so upset this morning. He's a bear when he doesn't have his coffee. Woo!
Well, it wasn't that. It's just the point that I forgot to clean the pot.
It's all good. It's all good now.
I can do it without the coffee. It's just the point I wanted the coffee and I couldn't do it. I wasn't going across the street and buy that crap.
Yeah. Oh, I had a service station. He doesn't do that.
I don't do that. That's crap.
Unless it's Flash. Now, Flash?
If they have a good attendant.
Yes.
The coffee.
Yes.
If it ain't no good, I can't get my money back. I'm particular about my coffee. It comes from my Navy days. I can't help it. I'll pay for something that's going to be right.
So hopefully, between today and tomorrow, we will get across Texas. Yeah, I know, that's pretty fast. And then we'll be into New Mexico by Monday, and then on into Arizona. So, and we'll be at the RTR on the 8th. We'll be pulling right up in there. So, if you're waiting for us to get there, we'll be there soon. I promise. I promise. A lot of our new subscribers are wondering how we prepare to get on the road, because y'all have so much stuff to put away. Well, not really. Most everything is put down with 3M Velcro strips, lamps, all kinds of stuff, little knickknacks, that kind of thing. The things that are up on that front shelf, they stay there because there's a lip. All I do is lay stuff down that I think might jump off the shelf coming across Louisiana, because y'all know how those roads are there. Let's see, in the bedroom, the bed is never has anything on it. I make the bed every day, and I have a little basket that, you know, you put like flashlights and little knickknacks and stuff that might fall off anywhere in that little basket at the end of the bed, and that works out great. There's a bag of chips in there right now because we bought some chips and I didn't want them to get crushed in the pantry. Let's see, what else did I do? Oh, we have our dish pans in the sink, so when we go to wash anything out or whatever, we've got that. We've got extra water. All the coffee cups and everything go in the drain. In the refrigerator, we have two dish pans in there that we put ice in to keep everything all cold and everything. This morning I fixed breakfast. We have Copper Chef pans, so they're easy to wipe out and clean. So I fixed an egg, bacon, cheese wrap this morning for breakfast. It was awesome. And Mr. Childers finally had his coffee. Let's see. I can't think of anything else. It's all good though.
Something we do in our timeline. We don't have no schedule. We kind of float out here. When we do things and check them out, we try to share them with you and give you good information about the cost of things. Am I shaking all over the place?
Yeah, we are. Sorry. Mr. Childers got out of the picture there for a second. So, welcome all you new people. There are about 800 new ones since last week when Let's Jump More Journey featured us on their channel. That was awesome. Yeah.
That was great of Nathan to do that. Thank you, Nathan.
Sure enough. Sure enough. And of course, if you haven't watched Les Jumpmore journey. Oh, they're a fantastic couple. They have a little girl. She's 4 years old. Her name is Hensley. And they have a baby on the way. And they live full-time in an Airstream. And they travel across the country the same way we do. All right. Well, all is well here.
All is good.
All is good.
Y'all take care. Be
right.
safe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.